This time I'm going to make a little scroll saw project. I need to tilt the table at about 2 degrees. See if the table is at the right angle. I'm going to make some test cuts with this offcut piece. Okay, that looks good. So this is very important. If your table tilts like this and you want the piece to stick out, then you have to start your cut on this side so it will fit like this. But if you want the piece to fit into recess, then you have to start the cut on this side. Do I make any sense here? Okay, let's start cutting.